Hey, hello friends. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. In our debugging series, we discussed about different situations, errors, and how the field value getting updated. So debugging has been done in several ways. Now, today also we'll learn about debugging only, but this time we are going to debug an SAP FIORI app in the backend system. So, for example, I am going to debug the app manage billing documents app. Okay, so if I click this app, we can see so much of data getting displayed here. For example, there is an something wrong with this particular invoice. The price is coming directly here, or the billing date is wrong here. Any reason, something is wrong in this data in the Fiori app. So now we would like to debug this and see what went wrong and where this data coming from. Okay, fine. So what we need to do first, click F12 in the keyboard. Okay, F12 has been pressed now, and make sure that you will be under the network tab. Now search the app manage billing documents. See, when I click that app, it is loading some data here. See, some data has been displayed here, and in the right side you see some programs has been triggered. If see here, if I click this batch SAP, it's a post method. Okay, so how this app is connected to SAP? It is connected to SAP through APIs, application programming interface. It is calling that technology OData, open data. So this OData will be used to transfer the data between SAP to HTML web pages, web services. I'm in the browser now, and I am trying to get or create something in SAP system, means that will be happen through this OData services only. And here it is saying that post method, it's calling the post method. So we have different methods in HTML, right? Post, put, patch, right? And like this we have so many methods. Each and every method will do some certain activity. So here you see here the word service name here, SD customer underscore invoices underscore manage. This is the, this is, we just note down this name, SD customer invoice manage. Now what I will do, I will go to SAP screen now. So I will add the T code slash IWFND underscore maint underscore service and click enter. You see, we can see a lot of data services here. Search our service now. SD customer invoice manage. This is what we see in this, um, for this app manage billing documents. Click OK. We see one hit displayed. This is that one. Select this one and again come to bottom. Select this OData ICF node and click the SAP gateway client. It will open one more window, and here you see one more tab called service implementation. Click this one, and here you see the data provider class. DPC extension, double click here, hold for a minute, it's loading. Okay, fine. Okay, it's opened now. So here what I will do, I will click this display object list. Click this one. Okay, in the left side, you see some nodes like super classes, attributes, methods, types, and local classes. Click this option methods, and here you see so many has been redefinition has been mentioned here, right? Under redefinition, click the active ones, means green ones. Click this, and you can add that external breakpoint here. And let me add the breakpoint in another method as well. Okay, let me add in another method. So many the green methods, active methods are there. That's why I am adding the breakpoint in each and every active methods, the red green ones. Remember that we should add the external breakpoints only. Fine. So now what I will do, I will again go to home. I will type that manage billing documents app. Okay, let me open this. Okay, just 1 second, guys. Breakpoint in trigger. Let me check that. Okay, fine. Let me come from the beginning. Okay, you see the breakpoint has been triggered. Okay, so it means that we should add that breakpoint in each and every method here because we don't know which method will trigger. Initially, I thought that we should activate add the breakpoint in the green active methods only, but that's my mistake. We should add the breakpoint in each and every method here because we don't know which method will trigger now. So from here, you can debug and understand how the data retrieved here. See, currently it's loading now. Still it's loading because the code triggered here, the breakpoint stopped here. Okay, so like this, you can debug any FIORI app, any app in the backend system. By adding external breakpoints, it will hit the backend system. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope this video will be very helpful to you guys. We can catch up in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.